Welcome to United Bearing Co's guide on preventive bearing maintenance for electric vehicles. In today's fast-evolving world of electric mobility, ensuring the reliability and longevity of every component is crucial. Bearings, though often overlooked, play a vital role in the smooth operation of electric vehicles. Preventive maintenance is not just a routine, it's a strategic approach to maximize bearing life and minimize unexpected breakdown. By understanding the importance of regular care, you can keep your EVs running efficiently and avoid costly downtime. Let's explore why preventive maintenance matters and how it can make a real difference for your electric vehicles. Electric vehicles rely on precision bearings that operate under extreme torque and vibration. These conditions make bearings susceptible to wear if not properly maintained. Preventive maintenance is the key to extending bearing life and reducing the risk of unexpected failures. By implementing a regular maintenance schedule, you can ensure your bearings continue to perform at their best, supporting the overall efficiency and reliability of your electric vehicles. This proactive approach not only saves money but also enhances safety and performance on the road. Bearings are the backbone of electric vehicle powertrains. They support critical components like the electric motor, gearbox, and wheel hubs. Their main job is to ensure smooth rotation, maintain energy efficiency, and control vibration in high-speed electric systems. Without reliable bearings, the entire powertrain can suffer from increased friction, noise, and even premature failure. Understanding their role helps highlight why regular maintenance is so important for keeping your EVs running smoothly and efficiently. Neglecting preventive maintenance can lead to several common issues in electric vehicle bearings. Overheating often occurs due to insufficient lubrication, while excessive vibration can cause micro-pitting and fatigue. Seal failures may allow contaminants to enter, further reducing bearing life. All these problems contribute to reduced energy efficiency and can result in costly repairs or replacements. By understanding these risks, it's clear that regular maintenance is essential to avoid unnecessary downtime and expenses. First step in preventive bearing maintenance is scheduled lubrication. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended intervals and use high-performance greases specifically designed for electric vehicle bearings. Proper lubrication reduces friction and heat, preventing premature wear. However, it's important to avoid over-lubrication, as it can also lead to excess heat buildup. By sticking to a regular lubrication schedule, you help ensure your bearings operate smoothly and last longer. Monitoring vibration is a critical part of preventive maintenance. By regularly checking vibration sensor readings or using handheld analyzers, you can detect early signs of bearing wear. These preventive alerts allow you to address issues before they escalate into major problems, reducing the risk of unplanned breakdowns. Consistent vibration monitoring helps maintain the health of your bearings and keeps your electric vehicles running reliably. Another essential maintenance step is monitoring bearing temperature and noise signatures. Sudden increases in temperature or unusual noise can indicate misalignment or lubrication failure. By keeping a close eye on these indicators, you can quickly identify and resolve issues before they cause significant damage. Regular analysis of temperature and noise trends is a proactive way to ensure your bearings remain in top condition. Comprehensive preventive maintenance checklist is your best tool for keeping bearings in optimal condition. This should include regular lubrication, logging bearing temperatures, tracking noise and vibration trends, inspecting seals, and maintaining a replacement schedule. By following this checklist, you can systematically address all potential issues and ensure your electric vehicles operate smoothly and efficiently over the long term. United Bearing Co. stands out by offering a full range of bearings, seals, lubricants, and condition monitoring equipment from world-leading manufacturers. Brands like SKF, NTN, and SK and more ensure reliability, precision, and performance. These products feature low-friction seals for energy efficiency, advanced materials for high load capacity, and precision manufacturing for long life. With UBC, you benefit from industry-leading solutions tailored for electric vehicles and industrial applications. BC delivers a wide product range, from miniature bearings to heavy-duty industrial series. Whether you need deep groove, cylindrical, or angular contact bearings, UBC has the right solution for electric motors, gearboxes, and wheel hubs. Their products are engineered to enable smooth operation across various industries, ensuring your electric vehicles and equipment perform at their best. Explore the full range to find the perfect fit for your needs. To ensure your electric vehicles remain efficient and reliable, it's essential to use high-quality bearings and follow a strict preventive maintenance routine. United Bearing Co. offers a comprehensive selection of industrial bearings and accessories designed specifically for electric vehicles. By choosing UBC, you invest in the long-term performance and safety of your fleet. Discover how their products and expertise can help you achieve worry-free operation. United Bearing Co. is dedicated to powering industry and electric vehicle mobility with precision and reliability. By prioritizing preventive bearing maintenance, you ensure the longevity and performance of your electric vehicles. Trust UBC for all your bearing needs and experience the difference that quality and expertise can make. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward efficient, reliable electric vehicle operation.